You know that one piece of jewelry that somehow makes every outfit look expensive? I'm Gracie with WTI, and this tennis necklace from Mayoleeye will give you that classic, timeless look that will never go out of style. Just look at the amount of sparkle, you guys. Each of these 3 millimeter round cubic zirconia stones catch the light so beautifully. They truly look like diamonds without that diamond price tag. And it's coated with 18 karat yellow gold plating, which adds that warmth and elegant glow that complements every single outfit that I wear. I got the 15-inch length, and you can see it sits right above my collarbone area. I have gotten so many compliments every single time I wear this. I've been wearing this either by itself for a statement piece, or sometimes I even layer it with my other favorite chains for more of that personalized look. It comes packaged in a small box, and it comes with a polishing cloth and a cute little velvet pouch to store it away. I think this will also make such a thoughtful gift for that special lady in your life. This necklace gives you that endless amounts of sparkle, elegance, and that timeless style, and that's my point of view.